Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to run a speaker test on any newer Ford vehicle equipped with Ford Sync 3. You might want to do this test in case one of the speakers is not working and you suspect it failed. Now to do the test, first you'll have to access the hidden Ford menu. And to do that, first you want to make sure the radio is turned on and the frequency is set to either FM or AM. And then you will press the SIG button on the steering wheel, the right SIG button. Now, depending on the make and model of your Ford, this SIG button could be at a different position. I don't know, maybe on the left side, but you want to press the right SIG button, and you want to press and hold the right SIG button on dashboard as well. So press them at the same time for 5 seconds and keep holding them. And this will start the speaker test, right? It's gonna go through every speaker in your vehicle. Now, if you don't hear a beeping noise when this is displayed on the screen, so for example front right, and you don't hear a beeping noise from the front right speaker, that means it failed the test, right? So the speaker either failed or there is some kind of wiring issue. If you want to repeat this test, I believe you can do it through here as well. So AHU sub-menu, and you can see speaker walk around test. So if I press that, the test will go again. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything. That's how you test the speakers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.